Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my tiny homes business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we will go ahead and zip through some of the updates that I made to my tiny homes business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my Tiny Homes Business Plan template. So one of the updates that I made to my Tiny Homes Business Plan template for 2023 is the company description and the services description of my Tiny Homes template. Further, I used AI to go ahead and generate a succinct description of the tiny home community that is in the template. So again, that's one of my first updates that I made, was for the infusion of IA into the business plan template. And the second update that I made was industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan, especially for a tiny homes community, you definitely want updated information for your industry research. And that's exactly what I did. I do have a subscription to IBIS World, and in my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. So what I did is, when I went there, I got my report for the residential RV and trailer park industry. And then I went ahead and summarized that succinctly. And I also extrapolated some statistics from there for the revenues, profits, profit margins, business number of businesses in existence right now in the U.S., employment, and wages. So that is my second one. And then my final update that I did for my Tiny Homes Community Business Plan template is I updated the financial model to give you a little bit more ability to make some customization to the revenues for the first year. So in the optimization, what I've done is, when you open the financial model, you do have 4 tabs still: the information page, the projections, the profit and loss, and the income statement. Right now, if you go to the profit and loss tab, you are now able to change the percentage sales growth from month 2 to month 12 to better reflect what you anticipate for your revenues in the first 12 months. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful, and let's go ahead and now wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind, there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.